A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dog.
Elephant, fox, giraffe, hippo,
Iguana,
jaguar,
kangaroo,
lion,
M is for mouse, N is for newt, O is for ostrich, P is for pig, P is for pig, Q is for quail, R is for rooster, S is for snake. We're T and tiger. We're U for unicorn. We're W and whale.
W is for whale. X is for xanthus. Y is for yak. And Z is for zebra.